Recoletos. Let's start off with jersey number 8, Nika Mariel Dalisay. At number 9, Vera Guillema. Number 10, Denise Lim. Number 12, Catherine Villegas. Number 13, Jolina Labiano. Number 17, Joyce Santa Rita. And playing as libero for the first time here in this season, number 16, Eliza Eroa. Head coach, Mr. Clint Malazzo. Calling on our Tigresses of the University of Santo Tomas. Let's start off with their team captain. Number 6, Pamela Tricia Lastimosa. Number 3, Claudia Cortez. Number 9, Energy Laure. Number 16, Jessie Lane De Leon. Number 17, Eliza Tiope. Number 18, Marivic Meneses. Libero, number 11, Patricia Kim Rasmo. Head coach, Mr. Emilio Kung Fu Reyes. This is match number 28 of the preliminaries. Good luck to both teams.
Interesting decision para dito kay Coach Kung Fu Reyes to start Tiope out as the setter para sa kanilang kupunan. Alam naman natin si Eliza Tiope is only 16 years old. At medyo may katangkaran naman. Pero for her to be able to kahit si De Leon, it's not every day na yung setter mo taller than the quicker.
Pero yun ang isa sa mga magandang advantage. Kanina, once na na-develop ito, si Tiope talagang maraming pahihirapan ito.
Wow, Denise Lim, pinahirapan that time ang depensa ng UST with that drop shot. Para dito sa San Sebastian, we are tied at 1. Tandaan na po natin for San Sebastian, they must win this match and hope na matalo ang kupunan ng Lasal Dasmariñas in their last matchup against St. Benil to get an outright spot sa quarterfinals. Wala ng playoffs. Meneses turned back there by Labiano. How about that? So 2-1. Of course, the St. Benil and Lasal Dasmariñas match is the final game of the elimination round. Diretso tayong quarterfinals. So Lim to serve once again. Rasmo. Tiope going over to Chloe Cortez, and Chloe finds the spot. Big shoes to fill sa pagkawala ni Mela Tunay.
That's right. But I mean, so far we really have seen how she's performing. Dahil nga sabi natin, hinuhugot mula sa bench. Pagdating sa loob, nakakapunto siya agad.
But tied at 2 right now. Pamela Stimosa, who will be playing in her final year sa UST this coming UAAP season. Guillema, inangat. Good defense at the net there by Ria Meneses. So UST, obviously the taller team dito. Hindi tayo nagkakarinigan, ano?
Sobrang lakas ng pag-cheer dito sa UST.
Medyo nagkakaalmusal lang nila. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Lastimosa on the serve once again. Eroa, nice dig or nice reception. Labiano keeping that one alive. Santa Rita cannot get it across. Dalisay sending it again to Jolina over the defense. Binuhay ni Laure. EJ, placement shot. Nagkabanggaan na naman ng mga Lady Stags. Santa Rita has to give this one up. Tiope sending it. Ria Meneses. Good read by Jolina Labiano. Labiano turned back there by Cortez and Meneses. Dinadaan na UST sa height.
Yeah.
Isa pa lang.
Obviously, the height is one of the advantages na meron itong UST. And we can see naman doon sa, sa klase ng atake na binibigay nitong San Sebastian na talagang medyo placement. Kasi kailangan mo na lang ma-overcome itong matatangkad na blockers itong UST.
Right. Oh, net violation there against UST. Pag-angat ni EJ Laure. So that will be a point for the Lady Stags. Pero ibang animal itong Lady Stags pag nandyan yung Gretchen Soltones. I mean, that will really demand a double or even a triple block pag nandyan siya. Pero again, still resting from the injury. Meneses! Yan ang placement shot. Late reaction there by Denise Lim. UST, may abante ng 2 puntos dito po sa ating first set. Chloe Cortez. Serving. Oh, bumalik kay Tiope. And Tiope was looking at the ground. Yan ang mental lapse.
But you know, again, the maturity inside the court, syempre, hindi pa natin masyadong ma-expect dyan kay Eliza.
Eliza Chope actually will turn 17 on November 23. Matagal pa. Chope, over to EJ. EJ scores. So far, so good. UST protecting a 1.2-point lead as we take a look at this ultra-fast line brought to us by PLDT Home Moldera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Courtesy of Enaje Laure. Parang basketball lang naman, ano? Laure and now Meneses to serve. Nice drop shot there by Villegas. Hindi na may babalik yan Etiope.
So San Sebastian getting a lot of points from yung mga placement shots at drop ball.
Naririnig na natin si Coach Kung Fu. May mga sermon na binibigkas. PLDT Home Moldera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Diope sending it up. EJ Laure, zone 1. Okay lang UST makipagpalitan ng puntos. Ganito no? 7-5, 1.2 points. You can see Coach Kung Fu Reyes, Coach Villen, Coach Yanni Fernandez, and of course, yung kanilang dating player.
O si Coach Villet.
Oo. Kasi Miyahiro Tsuji also nandun. Net violation UST.
It's second, net violation error para dito sa Lady Tigresses.
I'll go against Pam Lastimosa. So, 7-6 ang ating score. Mga nabibigay din ng UST. So, dalawang net violation. Mga errors din ang nakukuha rito ng San Sebastian, and UST shouldn't be helping them.
Oh yes, because we all know pag itong San Sebastian nakakuha ng momentum
Ay, oo.
Pahihirapan talaga rin lang kayang mga kalaban.
Atake galing kay Laure. Inangat ni Eroa. Lim against 3 blockers. Cortez, malakas. At yung triple block na yan, yung talagang steadfast si Coach Kung Fu dyan sa triple block na yan. Kahit sino kalaban. Mahina, malakas, it's a triple block. Yan si Hirotsuji. Statistician na. 7-all. Chance for San Sebastian to get their first lead of the match. Diope lifts it up. Lastimosa. Here's Guillermo now, sending it over to Lim. Ay, binuhay ni EJ. It looked like it was going to go out.
Actually, it was going outside already.
So, tignan nyo naman po ito. Lumamang na po ang San Sebastian for the first time in the match, and it happens to be at the first technical timeout of set number 1. Magpapalik po kami.
Check, mic check. Mic check, mic check, mic check.
Dito talaga. Ito po ang ating mga airing schedules ng Shakey's Feeling right here on GMA News TV, Saturday and Sunday at 12:45 p.m. and Monday to Thursday, 1 p.m. as we send it out to the third member of our panel and UST native, Cristel Bachelor.
UST's Carmela Tunay is still nursing her fractured nose after last week's collision with fellow Tigress Pam Lastimosa. Ayon kay Coach Kung Fu, nawala na naman daw ang pamamaga ng ilong ni Mela and she might just be discharged for tomorrow. For today, Chloe Cortez will step up on her behalf at sana raw same level of intensity o higit pa ang maipamala si Chloe. Meanwhile, Coach Roger won't be sitting for the bench of San Sebastian today as he is taking the time to rest. Coach Clint will be calling the plays for now. Sabi ni Coach, they focused on their system plays and he is expecting Jorina Lubiano to step up today dahil siya nga raw ang pinaka-veterano sa koponan. Back to you guys.
Pero nandun pa rin si Coach Roger sa gilid.
Oo, syempre di pa rin mawawala yung ano dyan. He may not be calling the shots here, but you know, yung presence niya pa rin kasi, isa pa rin yun syempre, it's important.
Lastimosa getting that off the hands of Nika Dalisay. So nakapuntos naman dito. Etong pupunan ng UST, trying to keep it close. Sipin mo, lamang kanina UST ng dalawa, ngayon sila naghahabol. Here's the rookie, Eliza Chope. Another Eliza on the reception, that is Eliza Eroa. Triple block again. Sipag, ano? So UST has tied it up at 9. And despite the fact this young lady is 16, she's about 5'10 already, 5'10, 5'11.
Oh, I think around that tall.
Malakas yung kanyang serve. Kasi ano ba height ni Riri? She is 6'1", ano? Mga ganon.
Yeah,
Ria
around that,
Meneses.
yeah.
Ito talaga.
Tatangkad pa yan,
Tatangkad
Noel.
pa yan.
Tatangkad pa yan. And you know, sabi ko nga,
Split
di ba,
palaso there.
yung usually yung mga bata pag naglalaro, nababatak lalo eh.
Oo. Wag lang gymnastics kasi
yeah.
mas lalo kang liliit naman mo. De Leon! Lusot kay Santa Rita. So Jessie will also be playing in her final year for UST this upcoming UAP season. Naunahan ang depensa that time nito si Joyce Santa Rita. Jessie ties it up at 10, trying to serve for the lead once again for the Tigresses. Eroa. Guillema. So Dalisay could not get that one through. Cortez. Nice defense there by Santa Rita. Pam Lastimosa nakabuelo, dalawa nakabang. Chopez sending it over and Chloe Cortez able to score. Tayo, no? Height, yung height niya talaga,
height
no?
advantage eh. Talagang dulot na lang yata ng daliri ng blocker na tumama dun eh.
Jessie De Leon as Mikasas the official ball of the Shake East V-League. Serving once again, UST up by 1. Eroa, Guillema, Lim, tinawid, nandun naman si Laure. Lastimosa on the attack, hindi na naabutan yon ni Eroa. So back to another 2-point lead for UST. Kanina lumabang na ng dalawa San Sebastian. All-important game for the Lady Stags. If they want to advance to the quarterfinals, iisa pa lang pong naipanalo nitong kupunan ng San Sebastian in 4 matches played so far. Denise Lim. Cortez. Back row attack. Jessie De Leon. Parang nagdalawang isip si Jessie.
Kinapos ng konti si Jessie. There was a hesitation kasi on their part eh, na parang papaluhin ko ba? Hindi. Sige na nga.
Back row? For me?
Ito?
Yan tuloy. Minsan pag
pero kung prepared yun, I'm sure papasok yun eh.
Oo. Pero
nagulat din siguro siya.
ito ng laki talaga mata. Me? 6? Cortez. And Eroa is everywhere ngayon para San Sebastian. Labiano with a bullet.
Yes, that's against 3 tall blockers dito sa UST. Ito si Labiano, makakuha lang talaga ng ano to eh.
Ay, nako.
Ng tamang pasok.
Ultra fast spike pa yan. Hatid sa atin ng PLDT Home Ultera, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. So Jolina Labiano ties it up at 12.
Ang nipis ng pinagdaanan. That's
Oo.
against, between the net and the hands of the blocker.
Cortez. Eroa, good read. Guillema inangat. Here's Jolina once again. Off the block again.
Labiano, able to figure out already. Ito, alam ko na kung paano palulusot ang tatlong to.
Especially doon sa gilid na yun kasi
Oo.
lapit mo na sa
Yeah.
outside eh. Padadaplisin na lang niya eh. San Sebastian up by 1. Denise Lim. A 19-year-old with the serve. Pati Rasmo. Ria Meneses. Cortez, dalawang umabang. Labiano, first ball.
You can see the aggressiveness of Labiano.
Eh, may kasabihan nga tayo eh. The more aggressive player creates his or her own luck. So nothing lucky about that. Pure aggression shown by Jolina Labiano. Dalawa ulit ang abante rito ng San Sebastian. Denise Lim continues to serve well. Chope, tinawid. Guillema, Dalisay.
Another net violation
Wow.
error against UST. That's the third net violation error dito pa lang sa set 1.
Meneses is called for that one. So now a 3-point lead for San Sebastian. If you're UST, di ka pwedeng pumahitiks
Oh, yeah.
dito, ha? Good serve once again by Lim. Lastimosa. Guillema setting it up. Labiano, Rasmo is there. Meneses, Lastimosa na ilusot finally kay Dalisay. So finally, an answer galing sa UST. And now Lastimosa, nasa likuran na. Lastimosa, on a good serve. Eliza Eroa is there. Guillema, combination play. Labiano, dug up well. Rasmo setting it up. Lastimosa galing likod, hindi na itawid. And that will give a 3-point lead to the Lady Stags. Papunta po sa ating second technical timeout of set number 1. We will be right back. (16-13) San Sebastian kontra dito sa UST. Noel Zarate po kasama si Ivy Remula at si Crystal Bachelor. Coming to you from the San Juan Arena. At medyo maulap sa labas kanina. Bumubugso-bugso yung ulan, ha?
Yeah,
Hindi
pero
ka ba naulan galing Cavite?
naulanan.
Oo.
Lumakas nga yung ulan bigla eh.
Kasi dumaan ka daw sa kalye. Biglang umulan.
Bigla umulan.
And speaking of ulan, nalunod si Rhea Meneses that time sa isang quick play. So, Coach Kung Fu still sticking with Eliza Chope. Still trying to get her more experience points. But UST has fallen behind now by 4 points. Biggest lead of the match para sa San Sebastian. Oh, good serve by
Service ace.
Dalisay.
That would be the first service ace here for San Sebastian.
5 ang abante ng Lady Stags. Panic time for Coach Kung Fu Reyes. Timeout UST.
Bigay ni Eliza ng bola. Ngayon, tinataas. Pag ganun lang ata ang approach mo, hindi mo talaga abutan. Dulo na ng daliri yan. Ngayon, kung tatalo na mo ayos, sigurado ibabaw ka dyan. Ha? I-adjust mo yung sarili mo. Malaki na yung set natin eh. Lock mo, anong trabaho mo? Pumirap na bola. Hindi natin. Ang advice, kanina pa, bawasan natin ng error. Ngayon, patagdag na naman patagdag. Hindi tayo makakahawin yan. Simpleng atake lang ito na isa. Atake mo lang pag-ilaw. Tumayarap ka ba?
Hindi pa naman high blood si Coach Kung Fu.
Oo,
Papunta
di
pa
pa
lang.
eh.
Papunta pa lang, ano? Yan ang hinihintay ng mga fans natin pag na-high blood na lang si Coach Kung Fu. 18-13, San Sebastian. Not really doing anything extra special.
Oh yeah.
Just playing normal volleyball. Pero that time, namigay sila ng puntos. Sumnika Dalisay.
Actually, it has been the errors of UST which helped San Sebastian score the lead. San Sebastian only has 7 attack points and 1 service ace. Pero UST, they have 9 attack points, 4 blocks, pero 9 unforced errors.
Yun lang. Wala ito ngayon. Bagong setter na ipapasok dito. Hindi double stop for a full front line. So ito si Sara Verochao will see her first action along with Mildred Dizon up front. So full front line para dito sa UST. Pero again, a very young squad
Oh yeah.
on the floor. Verochao with the serve. Guillema standing still, sending it to Santa Rita. Meneses, dinaan sa bilis. Nandun naman si Labiano. Jolina, opensa. Taklo nakabang pa rin.
Pero makikita mo to si Jolina, no? Parang nakikita na tatlong katatangkad na blocker, pero parang hindi natatakot.
Oo,
Talagang
wala.
pira pa rin, palo pa rin kung palo. Eh.
Sometimes your aggression gets the
Oo.
best of you. Yun ang nangyari sa kanya. 5 ng, tatlo na lang po. Akabante galing 5 para dito sa San Sebastian. Labiano, inunahan yung tatlo pero malakas ang kanyang palo. No check ball. This is now 3 straight points for UST from the timeout of Kung Fu Reyes and now a timeout by Clint Malazo.
Sabihin, maluwag yung blocking nila doon. Medyo patamahin mo ng konti para kung hindi naman tamaan, inside pa rin. Yan. Huwag natin ibibigay yung lamang ha. 20 na target natin ha. Susuban nyo lang, wala namang, hindi naman mag-hard serve basta-basta yan. Sino nasa likod na?
Go guys!
Tumisib ha, tumisib.
Go guys! Go!
Well, talagang just to stop the bleeding yan, just to stop the momentum, ang ginawa rito ni Coach Clint Malazos, Jolina Labiano, now talking to Eliza Eroa, ito ang gusto kong ibigay mo sa setter, di ba? Kasi kailangan natin pumuntos, wala si Ate Gretchen mo. So 18-16 right now. Sara Verotjao will serve once again. So, itong kagandahan sa lineup ng UST, no? Tatlo setter nila in the
Yun yung mga
lineup.
mahirap pag-isipan siguro ni Coach Kung Fu. Sino kaya gagamitin ko bukas?
Dinedevelop
Sino kayo
naman
papasok?
Ito yung second string niya, ito si Verotjao.
Oo.
Hindi pa ginagamit yung legit starter
That's
niya, si
right,
Alex Cabanos. And a point for UST. Ay, illegal attack. So now, just a 1-point lead for San Sebastian. 4 straight points for the Tigresses. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Verotjao, mula nung pumasok, di na umalis dyan sa service area. And she looks like she may stay there, except if Labiano has an answer. Tinaas, Rasmo, Verotjao, Laure, Dalisay, Binuhay, Guillema, Labiano, tatlo kalaban, pinadaan pa rin sa kanila. Lastimosa saves it. Laure, on the drop ball. Akala mo, babagsak na, maliit lang talaga yung Eroa, no? Oh, and that works for San Sebastian.
Labiano's aggressiveness really is working well for San Sebastian. Tapang eh.
Oo. Yan ang never say die. Eto na, Gretchen Soltones. Naglibero yan noong nakaraan and now she is in to serve.
So ito yung baby steps itong si Gretchen. Now she's serving.
Jump serve pa rin na ibibigay niya. Ay, hindi na.
Jump float na lang yan.
Jump float na lang. Baka may mag-jump serve pa yan eh. Uh-oh.
Overreaching violation.
Yan ay natawag kontra rito kay Catherine Villegas. Iba na matangkad. Villegas about
Coach
5'10",
Clint
yeah.
was trying to argue the case eh. Hindi overreaching yun. Nandun eh.
Coach, ang haba ng galaway ng player mo.
Yun din kasi talaga yung pag-abot mo, minsan nakakagigil
Right.
talagang abutin eh.
We've seen that happen to the
Oh,
Santiago
yeah.
so many times. Oh, nice defense there by EJ Laure. So tinabla ng UST ang ating score 19 all. And the former under-23 national team member, Ria Meneses, serving. Just barely in. Labiano. Oy! The first ball will usually not belong to the setter. Yan ang kailangan matutunan dito ni Verotjao. Nandyan na sa tabi niya si
Yeah.
Meneses. Ibigay mo na, kasi yun naman second ball eh. So 2019, San Sebastian. Labiano nasa likod na. Much to the delight of UST. Jesse on the push. Tan, Guillema, back. Or make that limb. Here's the back set ngayon for Laure. Ay!
No coverage para sa San Sebastian.
And EJ ties it up at 20. Ilan taon pala to si EJ? 17?
18.
18,
Kakadipulang
kaka-18 nga pala niya, no? Last July. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So the 18-year-old sophomore who was already won best scorer here in the Shakey's V-League. And with a great dig that time. Wala sa pwesto, Verotjao, itinawid na lamang. Guillema, running attack ngayon para kay Villegas. Up for Lastimosa now for UST, and they will score and take the lead. Timeout San Sebastian, yung kanilang 5 puntos na kalamangan ay nabura na.
Nagti-3 blocks na sila.
Ba't
Hindi
hindi
na
mo hinabol yung drop ball? Taas-taas ng bola.
Sige lang, sige lang.
May isa
Si
isa
Coach,
doon.
humingi po ako,
Sige,
Coach,
sige.
drop ball.
Pagka nagka-bill ka,
Isa lang yan. Go! Tara, go, 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 go!
Iba na talaga pag nagkaroon ka ng konti international experience.
Hindi, kasi siguro, Pero iniingatan pa rin yung kanyang injured shoulder eh. So
Right.
kaya ba't ka pumalo?
Gusto niya lumaban
Hindi
eh.
pa pwede pumalo. Hindi coach, ako yun. Humingi po ako.
Siyempre, pag humingi siya eh, kailangan ibigay sa kanya.
Oo.
But it is an 8-2 run right now for UST. Trying to close out the set. Eroa, Guillema, eto na naman si Soltones.
But we can see hindi niya masyadong kinakargahan ng palo
Right.
eh.
Dizon, Guillema, Lim, Lusot, binuhay naman ni Verocha. One more time around for San Sebastian. On the run, Villegas. Rasmo. Verocha sending it to Lastimosa. Still alive. Itatawid ito ni Eroa. Long rally. Verocha. Combination. Wala ito si Lastimosa sa pwesto. Verocha tries again. Quick play this time to De Leon. And it is still alive. Approaching 1 minute dito po sa itong rally na ito. Dizon throws it away.
Very long rally.
21 all.
Either way, kung kanino man mapunta yung puntos na yun, well-deserved. Kasi dinipensahan naman din ng maayos.
But it ends on an error by
Yeah,
UST.
yun na yung masakit dun eh.
If Kung Fu Reyes had hair, sinabunutan na niya ang sarili niya.
Buti na lang wala.
Nasabunutan na lang niya si Coach Yanni Fernandez.
Eh si Coach Bilet ang katabi niya.
Ayan, bypass. Yan. Si Coach Yanni na lang sasabunutan niya. Served by Dalisay. Running attack, Jesse De Leon. At nakuha ulit na UST Kalamangan. And back come the starters. Chloe Cortez, Eliza Tiope returning. Tumangkad na muli ang lineup dito ng UST. So 16-year-old Eliza Tiope trying to serve it out. Tigres is up by 1. Nice short serve. Catherine Villegas. Cortez lifts it up. Masyado malapit para kay Lastimosa. Sinuntok na lang pa kabila. Buhay na naman. Tiope. Combination. Chloe Cortez. Yes!
Hesitation there by Gretchen Soltones. Nandun na siya eh. Kuha na niya pero nag-hesitate eh.
While UST's lead is now 2 in the twilight of set number 1. At si Soltones pililitan na sa likod ni Eliza Eroa. So Tiope, good serve once again. Eroa, back set ngayon. Denise Lim, that scores for San Sebastian. Ito yung mga future stars of the program. Palitan ng tao. Santa Rita returns. Soltones sits down. And again, Gretchen Soltones. Alam naman natin kung gaano kagaling talaga yan. May iniinda lang na injury.
Yeah. So talagang alam natin din yung mabinigay sa kanyang back row, hindi rin meant.
Right. Hingi ng hingi. Dapat
Hingi
talaga
kasi
pinaglibero na lang siya eh, no? Oops! Long serve by Catherine Villegas. You have to remember also way back, Manila Santos also injured
Yeah.
her shoulder. Pinaglibero din siya sa Lasal. Pero kay Soltones, well, she's not a libero today. 24-22, dalawang set point para sa Tigresses on the serve of Jessie. Eroa, Guillema, Lim, bullet. Lastimosa, binalik. Guillema, kabila naman ngayon. Lim, drop shot. Back set, Cortez. Nice block there by Santa Rita. Lastimosa, that is good. Dumaan sa butas ng karayom ang UST pero nakuha pa rin nila yung first set. 25-22. A lot of good struggle ang pinakita doon. Daming long rally.
Oo,
sa first set na yun.
dami. Ang daming magagandang rallies. And really, both teams display talagang their heart to win. This is our shaking play by Pam Lastimosa.
And of course, the captain had to put it away para dito sa UST. Second set sa aming pong pagbabalik.
How they made it difficult para dito sa San Sebastian para maka-opensa because of the blocking. The three-man block has been very, very consistent
Right.
dito para sa UST. And so far, to si Lobiano pa lang yata ay nakaka-penetrate dito sa three-man block nitong UST.
But here is Lastimosa, another long rally. Look at Eliza Eroa, just try to keep that alive. Diba? Pag titignan ko si Eliza Eroa sa labas, pupunta siyang mall, at saka titignan, anong trabaho mo? Volleyball player. O's.
Oo.
Pint-sized power.
Yung parang bigla na lang susulpot na hindi mo alam kung saan ang galing, di ba?
Parang kabutay ganun ba yun? Labiano on
Uy,
the
ito na siya.
reception. That will be a lifting violation kontra dito kay Guillema. Trying to do too much with that one. 2-0 UST. Siope on the serve. Eroa, Guillema, combination play, Denise Lim. And Denise Lim, like in the first set, gets the first point for San Sebastian. So 2-1 ang ating score. UST nakuha rin ang ating first set. Here's Denise Lim. Nasabi nga natin kanina, ito yung mga future star players para sa programa ni Coach Roger Gorayev. De Leon, naabangan that time ni Santa Rita. And if anything, Santa Rita, despite the fact na batang-bata pa ito si Joy Santa Rita, she's also very long, silang dalawa ni Villegas.
Yeah.
Pero tama yung pinag-uusapan natin before we came on. Kailangan pa natin palakihin yung katawan nitong mga to.
Para more power.
Yes. Chloe Cortez. Lim keeps that alive and cannot be played off the net there by Guillema. So ito na naman na UST. Dinadaan naman din sa power. Lalabang sila ay sa 2 puntos. Pero again, in the middle of that first set, yung 5 puntos na naitala na kalamangan na San Sebastian, karamihan doon errors.
Errors, that's right.
Wow, may kape ka na naman. Kape na naman yan. May nauutusan ka talaga, no? Labiano against 3. Labiano tries it again. They go over to Lastimosa. Great defense there at the net by Santa Rita.
Oh, miscommunication there para sa UST.
Joyce Santa Rita just altering that one. Tied at 3. Nika Dalisay to serve. PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Lastimosa. Siope. Pam once again. Guillema, too near the net. Bumalik tuloy sa panig ng UST. Lastimosa sa kabila. Eroa is there. Guillema. Labiano. Binuhay na naman ni Eroa. Backset ngayon para kay Dalisay.
Good rally being shown here. At talagang matibay ng depensa nitong San Sebastian.
Right. And Nika Dalisay has given the Lady Stags the lead early here in set number 2. Tanda natin yung first set, bandang kalagitnaan na nakuha na San Sebastian yung kalamangan. Labiano cannot convert the regalo. And Chloe Cortez, grabe down the line na yun.
Chloe Cortez is actually the top scorer now for UST with 6 points. 4 attack points and 2 points from block.
Ultra-fast 5 pa yan. Hatid sa atin ng PLDT Homolterra, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Kaya nga marami mga fans nagtatanong, bakit sa tinagal-tagal na ni Chloe Cortez sa programa, hindi pa siya regular starter?
Oh, she has the height naman.
That's right. Atake galing dito kay Santa Rita. Free ball coming up from Rasmo. That's not what UST had in mind. Santa Rita makes them pay.
Good play there from San Sebastian.
So Joyce Santa Rita becoming a factor both on offense and defense dito sa ating second set. Now back to serve for the Lady Stags. Yope, quick set. Simple yung mga ganun ni Ria Meneses talaga. Ano?
Tangkad na talaga, parang dunk na lang
Huhulog
siya.
ka lang niya yan, eh.
Tinapik na lang, baon pa.
Ganyan po kagaling yung batang yan. Tied at 5. Cortez. Lim. On the attack. Into the net. And she will learn that. The art of the back row attack.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi basta-basta
When you look
tinatawid
at
yan
it kasi sometimes, parang ang dali-dali eh. You know, pag pinaparo, parang ang dali-dali. Pero iba, pag nasa back row ka, iba rin pag nasa front line ka eh.
And again, that line is a psychological thing.
Oh, yeah.
Na parang feeling mo pag doon ka galing, parang layo nito. Pero kung tutuusin, hindi naman gano.
Hindi masyado.
Oo.
But yung iba kasi masyadong conscious din na umapak doon sa
Oo,
linya.
oo. Parang yung mga naglo-long jump sa Olympics, mga ganon. Binibilang pa nila kung ilang hakbang yan bago nila matapakan.
May kuryente yung linya na
Oo, kaya nga.
Biglang pipito referee pagka natapakan.
Ngayon, nowadays, pati yung net may kuryente na. Nasabi nga ni Seb dati, dapat yung net lagyan talaga ng kuryente para pag may net violation, alam mo na kagad kung sino kasi tatayo buhok.
Wala na magde-deny.
Wala na magde-deny. And a little bit of a traffic jam there between Dalisay and Guillema gives the point to UST, a 3-point lead for the Tigresses. We'll be right back. Jimmy Public Affairs social media sites on your screens, mga kaibigan. Follow them on Facebook and on Instagram as we follow this report from Crystal Bachelor.
As per Coach, Kung Fu UST needs to retain what they did in the first set, but this time with less giveaway points. Coach said they were able to minimize their service errors, gayunpaman sila rin daw nakapagbigay ng maraming puntos sa kalaban. Ang San Sebastian naman ayaw na nga raw umasa sa computation ng quotient. They need to win this game to secure a slot in the quarterfinals, according to Coach Clint. Sayang nga lang daw at napabayaan nilang kaninang kalamangan. Back to you guys.
Well, let's try to do that complication, okay? Presently,
Gusto mo talagang yung mahirap yung pa yung gusto mo no?
Ito, ayan po kami ang pangalan muna. Ano,
kaya mo
Zara,
yan.
Ivy Remulla kasama si Crystal Bachelor. Okay, ganito.
Sige, paano?
San Sebastian, if they lose today, they will drop to 1 and 4. At itong kupunan naman Lasal Dasmariñas, if they lose their final matchup against St. Benil, as we have an error here against UST, they will also drop to 1 and 4.
Yes.
Okay. So, that being said, magkakaroon tayo ng 3-way tie. And in the case of a 3-way tie, they will go to yung points muna.
Okay.
Titignan natin. Okay. Yung San Sebastian, their 1 win got them 3 points.
Yes.
Okay. Lasal Dasmariñas, their 1 win got them a total of 4 points.
4.
Kasi nakakuha sila ng 1 point in the 5-set loss against TIP. If it's on family base, that's gonna be shaky. TIP, their 1 win only got them 2 points kasi 5 sets. Ergo, laglag at TIP. In the case of a 1 and 4 3-way tie. Now, may isa pang pwede maging tie dyan. San Sebastian wins this day against UST and Lasal Dasmariñas wins their final match against St. Benil. There will be a 2-way tie for 4th place. Ang gagawin natin doon, wala nang quotient. Playoffs
na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Diba? Simple lang. Simple lang naman yun. Pero kung ayaw na ng San Sebastian, dumaan sa ganyang klaseng
di manalo na
kahirapan,
sila ngayon.
manalo na lang dapat nila. Ang problema,
Para hindi na mahirapan mag-explain si Noel.
Medyo malinaw lang naman. Sa puntos pa lang, alam mo nang angat na kaagad itong kupunan ng Lasal Dasmariñas at itong kupunan ng San Sebastian over TIP. So TIP, kumbaga sa poker, tawag natin sa TIP, drawing dead na sila. Okay? Pero good effort also shown by TIP in their stint here.
Kasi ang dami nilang pinakaban, Noel,
Yes.
Ang daming team na
Tinalo
kinabasa
nila
kanila.
Lasal Dasmariñas to begin with. Tapos yun na nga, ang dami nila mga close matches. In fact, itong laban nila against San Sebastian was also a close one. UST trying to make this not a close one. Lamang po dito ng 5 ang Tigresses. At naging 4 na lang on that quick attack coming from Catherine Villegas. So, Patty Rasmo, we talked about her at the top of the coverage. Ang daming requirements sa kanya. Para siya nasa school din Pag nasa volleyball team. Must dig well. Must receive well. Diba? Must cover well.
Mas marami pa yata requirements kaysa sa school
Mag-aaral na lang daw siya. Pero kasi, yun naman ang dala ni Dancel Dusaran dati nung naglalaro dito. So, really big shoes to fill.
Yun yung mahirap pagka you have the big shoes to fill. Yung predecessor mo pagka talaga yun ang mahirap. Yung sa requirements, napakarami.
And not to take anything away from Patty Rasmo, magaling siyang libero. Pero yun nga, mentally, kailangan isip mo, Dusaran did this, Dusaran did that, di ba? So ngayon, UST is up by 5. Siope. Parang hinipan yung bola nung pag-toss niya.
Nakita
Kumanan
yata
bigla.
tayo naka-red kasi. A corner of her eye, na-catch
Tatlong
yung
libero yun.
Oo.
13-9.
Hindi niya nakita si Eroa eh.
And then, hindi mo talaga makikita si
Hindi
Roa
mo
pag
makita
nagtago
eh.
sa likod ni
Kaya
Santa
nga,
Rita.
tayo
Yan, that's
nakita niya
it.
nakapula.
Oh. Here is Cortez. Dug up there by Lim. Guillema sending it up. Labiano against 3. And UST has done that time and time again. In fact, kung titignan mo, other than Ateneo, UST has the best winning streak in the group. Ateneo, of
Yeah.
course, won 5 in a row.
Yes.
UST natalo sa opening game nila against Ateneo and have won 3 straight. So ngayon, ito si Jesse De Leon. Good serve. Santa Rita. Here's the attack coming from Nika Dalisay. Yope. It is still alive. Lastimosa. It is still alive. Labiano. It is still alive. Grabe floor defense sa magkabilang kupunan, ha? And UST has no libero on the floor. Meneses!
And it is the soft hit na nakapatay pa dito sa long rally. Sabi natin, minsan hindi naman talaga kailangan ng malalakas na palo eh. Kung alam mo lang talaga kung saan mo dadalhin.
Mastery na yan ni Meneses eh.
Oo.
Yung power tip na kahit na mapadaplis pa sa kamay, magbabago rin yung direksyon ng bola. UST up by 6. Dalisay, naku, natisod. 2 beses na sila nagkabangganan. This time it might cost her an ankle injury. Nika Dalisay is down as UST leads by 7 into our second technical timeout of set number 2. Magbabalik po kami. International schedules po on www.gmanetwork.com/international/program guide as we take a look at the Shakey's face of the day. 19 years old from Sampaloc City, Aliana Sobreviñas. Naamoy ko galing dito ang laman ng kahon na yan. Is it that or yung chichiryang pinabili mo sa mga
Hindi,
kaibigan
wala
mo?
akong chichirya.
Wala.
French fries.
Ano pa
Pero
nga ba
masarap
tawag?
yun, ano no?
Ikaw
Yung
minauutusan
beets,
ka eh.
yung Shakey's.
Kami ni Freddy Picardal gusto lang namin ng coffee.
Ako din, gusto kong coffee.
Ganon ha? O, mang-utos ka
Noel,
na.
coffee.
Ito ngayon ang atake ni Cortez. UST up by 7. Drop ball kept alive there by Guillema. We have a new player on the floor para dito sa San Sebastian sa injury nga kay Nika Dalisay as Lastimosa sends that in through the hands of Denise Lim. So new player para dito sa kupunan ng San Sebastian is Danji Encarnacion as we have a timeout by Clint Malazo. San Sebastian down by 8.
Conceptual man yun eh. Makukuha pa nung nakatayo ka lang doon. Eh, wala. Hindi nakakapalo yung quicker natin kaya nagti-triple block sila. Kasi ba natin maayos para may threat yung gitna? Hindi nahihiwala yung mga blocker eh.
Go tayo, go!
Kasi ba yun ang maayos?
Well, nung first set, lumabag sila ng 5 puntos. UST probably committing a lot less errors now here in the second set.
And yung kagandahan kasi during the first set
That's because it's the official ball of the Shakey's Melee.
was that you San Sebastian knew how to maximize the fact na nag-error ang UST. So, ginamit din nila kasi yun to their advantage.
That is going to be on the line for Jessie De Leon. At new players papasok para sa magkabilang kupunan. Francisco seeing her first action. Christine Francisco para sa kupunan ng UST. Teka, sabi ni Tiger, unahin muna natin yung nandito sa side ng San Sebastian. So Lim will sit down and Mariel Sinamban is in for the first time. Samantala para sa UST naman, Christine Francisco sees her first action. Papalitan niya si Ria Meneses. So, middle blocker in training. So both teams trying to use their youngsters. Sinamban on the reception here for San Sebastian. Down the middle ngayon, Encarnacion. Napalakas.
That's outside.
I'm taking a look at the bio nitong mga pumasok na ito. Si Francisco is 17 years old. Just turned 17 last July 24. Ito naman si Sinamban on the side of San Sebastian is actually 21 already, or 21 years old. Ito si Sinamban. Encarnacion. That one misses. Another timeout by Cliff Malazzo.
Damang na sila, puro pa tayo error. Wala namang problema kung mag-block eh. Ang problema natin hindi tayo kumukoverage eh. Dalawa na lang yung blocker, Jones. Gawa mo na ng paraan para mapalusutan. Hindi, paluin mo ng paluin. Hindi ka na nakaibabaw. Ang problema pa lang.
Mukhang hindi na talaga gagamitin si Gretchen Soltones, ano?
Mukhang. Bawal kasi pumalo eh.
3 beses pa niya ginawa. 3 beses galing pa sa likod.
Pasaway ka.
Labiano on your screens, Jolina Labiano. Siya na lang ang lone source of income dito. As you take a look at Gretchen Soltones, nandun sa koral. Stay there. Labiano.
Stay in the corner.
Stay in the corner. Drop shot by Labiano will work. Malayo-layo pa habulin ng San Sebastian. But if they want to do it, they gotta start right now. Danji Encarnacion to serve. As if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. So si Encarnacion naman, walang birthday ang nilagay dito. New libero para sa UST. Our first look at Renalyn Hachero. Here's Guillema going to Labiano once again. 3 na naman ang blockers ng UST. Eroa sets it up. Labiano, medyo telegraph yun, pero alam ni Jolina kung anong gagawin doon.
Eroa, bali-bali na katawa ka.
Right. Well, that's what you like about a libero na ganyang kaliit, kailangan may halong bilis. I mean, Jen Reyes, Jack Jonella, not really blessed with height, pero dinaan nila sa bilis.
Actually, for a good libero, not only is it that you're fast, but you know how to read eh.
Oo.
Kasi kahit hindi ka ganun kabilis, pero alam mo marunong ka magbasa, makukuha mo yung bola.
Set up ngayon para dito kay Labiano. That's off the block. Chope plays it. Cortez, huling-huli. Pagbitiw pa lang niya, parang napaso siya no?
Alam na rin niya double eh.
So this is now 3 straight points for San Sebastian. Trying to gain a little headway here on the serve of Danji Encarnacion. Lastimosa. That is off the block of Labiano. 4 points away, UST from taking a 2-0 lead. Kontra dito sa kupunan ng San Sebastian. UST record of 3 wins and 1 loss. 3-game winning streak. Hoping to make it 4 in a row. And a serve by Lastimosa. Sobrang daming pektus na hindi na nasa agad ng receivers ng San Sebastian. So 22-12. Biggest lead of UST was at 11 points at 29. Can they match that again? Eroa, better reception this time. Labiano against 2. Pinuhay na naman ni Eroa. Eroa slow to get up that time though. Chope on the quick, papunta kay Francisco. And Eroa says, ako na. Chope, kabila, Laure. Nagabay Encarnacion, and is that a net violation?
Yes, there is a net violation.
Ngiti na lang si Joy Santarita after that.
almost a good save as they kept the ball alive.
Right.
Yun lang, mabilis lang ang mata ng mga referees natin. Nakita pa yung net violation.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Of course, our referees, Mr. Jess Villarreal and Mr. Efren Gaa. And that one finds the line. So good attack there coming from Sinamban. As Joyce Santarita is now back to serve. 10 ang inahabol dito na San Sebastian in the twilight of set number 2. Tiope, Laure, cross court, Labiano, Guillema, hulog. Ano nakakagulat kasi di niya madalas ginagawa.
That's right. So UST did not expect it.
So again, UST just needing 2 more points to get set number 2. Sabi ni Joyce Santarita, you have to earn it. Good serve once again. They go to Chloe. Chloe will miss. Will miss time actually. Pag time out dito si Coach Kung Fu, ano kaya sabihin niya, nakakatawa na naman. Kasi ilang puntos na pinamigay na naman nila. They were up by 11, 3 straight na naman ito.
Bawi para kay Chloe Cortez.
Yes, she does it. So Chloe gives them 9 set points. Palitan ng tao dito para sa UST as we take a look at the Ultrafast Spike brought us by PLDT Home Ultera, the Ultrafast LTE for a happy family. Alex Cabanos, the regular starting setter, is in for the first time. At kasama niya sa lineup itong kanilang guest player from UST High School, si Alexa Rafael.
So Coach Kung Fu really trying to expose as much players in this
Right.
game.
She's about 5'10", and she's only 15 years old. Sakit sa ulo. UST will get the final point of set number 2 on that hitting error against San Sebastian. 25-15. So far, so good para sa ating Golden Tigresses. Set number 2 is just around, or set number 3 rather, is just around the corner. As we take a look at our shaky shake and play, nahinatid sa atin ng pagpalo dito ni Claudia Cortez. So we will have set number 3 when we return. Stay with us right here on GMA News TV. Nung
Yes.
first set. Ngayon, aapat
Apat
na
na
lamang.
lang.
So, walang pinagkuhugutan ng puntos na libre. Itong kupunan ng San Sebastian in that second set as we take a look at one of those aces dito. Galing kay Pam Lastimosa. Actually, walang kapektos-pektos Nahilo lang talaga sila kasi lumiliko yung bola. Napansin nyo,
Oo.
Galing kanan, pumupuntang kaliwa.
Yun yung difficulty sa mga floater services.
Yes.
Akala mo, ayan na, papunta na sa'yo, tapos biglang all of a sudden, mag-change ng direction or ng trajectory.
Well, of course, Chloe Cortez making a name for herself here in lieu of Mela Tunay's absence. Now, alam natin, Mela Tunay could be back in the quarterfinal stages. So, itong UST, gusto mong paganda ng record sa pagbabalik ni Carmela Liu.
Carmela Liu.
Yes.
And gaya nga nasabi natin, since all the standings would be carried over, importante para sa lahat ng mga koponan natin yung
Yes.
mga panalo. So, it doesn't mean that they are short of moving on to the next round. They can be complacent already with the wins.
Well, again, in the next round, sa quarterfinal natin, the top 4 teams from each group ay magtatapat ulit. Pero hindi nila lalabanan yung mga nakalaban na nila sa grupo nila.
Yes.
So, if the standings are, if the playoffs started now, if the quarterfinals started now, actually sa Group A, malinaw na Malinaw na kung sino lulusot doon sa Group A. FEU is true, Arellano is true,
Yeah.
NU is true, and UP is true. And Lastimosa just barely escaped the crossing violation that time. So dito sa Group B, ang medyo matraffic. Alam natin, lusot ng Ateneo. UST is already through. St. Benilde, ito pa maganda rito. if San Sebastian by some miracle comes back to win, hindi, dehado na sila sa puntos. Kasi if they come back to win this one, it's going to be a
A
5-setter.
5-setter, that's
And
right.
if it's a 5-setter, 2 points lang ang makukuha nila. Well, although Benilde was involved in a 5-setter, which they lost to Ateneo.
So it could,
Oo, may implications pa ito.
meron pa siyang,
May chance pa sa playoffs. If San Sebastian somehow gets back and wins this one, tapos itong Lasal das Marinas goes on to beat St. Benilde in their last matchup, baka magka-traffic jump tayo in 2 and 3. Yun, naarali ko na kung paano.
pag-aralan mo na
yun,
mabuti
naarali
yan,
natin kung
kailangan
paano
ma-explain
mangyayari.
yan.
Pero I think, in that regard, dehado na ang San Sebastian, dehado na ang Lasal das Marinas. Oo. In that regard, kasi may 5-setter nga rin sila. So again, yung goal mo sa volleyball, if you want to win, you gotta win in at least 4 sets. Pag pinabot mo ng 5 sets, nanalo ka, well, that's going to take away 1 point from the 3 points given to a victory.
But it's still a win, but then yung kumbaga the win that matters talaga dito sa ganitong klaseng with the system that you have here is yung straight set win.
Yeah, straight sets
Straight
or 4
4
sets.
sets.
Diba? Into the net, ang tira that time ni Jolina Labiano. UST up 4-1 dito po sa ating third set. Up 2 sets to nothing as well. Pam Lastimosa from Cagayan de Oro. Habol si Guillema. Palo naman dito ni Sinamban. Meneses, hook shot. Sinamban tries it again and she will miss. Hitting errors naman ngayon ang nagiging problema ng San Sebastian. And Captain Lastimosa serves as Axel as the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Another good one from Pam. Guillema. Encarnacion. Off the hands of Meneses. I'm sure mamaya maririnig natin kay Crystal Bachelor kung ano nangyari kay Nika Dalisay, who's been playing so well. Actually, the first set, maganda nila ni Dalisay, but went down with that ankle injury in the second set. Kaya napilitan si Coach Clint Malazo, humugot sa kanyang bench. Served by Villegas. And Vero Chao getting the start here in set number 3. Guillema ay tinawid. Vero Chao sending it to EJ Laure. And EJ will miss. So yung mga errors na iniwasan ng UST nung ating second set, baka bumalik na rin dito. I mean, yan na naman. You're up 2 sets to nothing. Minsan nagre-relax ang kuponan up 2-0.
Usual na sakit yan eh.
Good serve by Villegas. Pero Chao sending it back to Chloe Cortez. Uy, nalusot na ni Chloe yung defenders. And Labiano was late to cover. Chloe Cortez, pinag-usapan natin at the top of the coverage. Big shoes to fill sa pagkawala ni Mela Tunay, pero she's been doing very well. Service ace. Yata ni Chloe, pinag-uusapan siya. And speaking of, speaking of Carmela Tunay, nakakatawa kanina sa Instagram, the longest post in Carmela Tunay history nilabas niya. Isa-isa niya lahat ng kakampi niya. As take our friends from Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Lahat ng dedication na pwedeng gawin para ma-inspire yung kanyang mga kampi sa kanyang pagkawala. It's like, I think the longest post I've ever seen on Instagram. 8-3 so far, so good for UST. Magbabalik po kami.
Mic test. Mic test.
Abangan nyo po, magandang laban po ito. Arellano University going up against the University of the Philippines. I can tell you this did not end in 3 sets. As we send it now to Cristel Batchelor.
Coming into this set, Coach Kung Fu singled out their second libero, Renalyn Hachero. Coach disapproved the point she just gave away and challenged her to be more aggressive the next time she will be used. Dapat daw iisa lang ang aim niya, and that is to strengthen her defense and receives. Sa panig naman ng San Sebastian, Nika Dalisay sprained her left ankle in the second set. Over the huddle, her physical therapist iced and taped it. Aside from the pain coming from the sprain itself, wala naman daw nakikitang major problem kay Nika for now, pero siya na mismo ang nagsabing hindi na muna siya makakabalik sa laban. Back to you guys.
It was really strange. Parang umikot yung paa niya doon sa sprain. Nagbanggaan pa sila nito si Guillema. So, that made matters worse. So, Nika Dalisay lost for this match para sa San Sebastian. As UST continues to have ultra-fast fights brought to us at PLDT Montera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. Si EJ Laure, halos hindi na pinapawisan si EJ ngayon no? EJ enjoy. Yun lang ginagawa niya ngayon. Nag-enjoy siya.
Oh.
Labiano, kanina pa pinapawisan because she is the lone source of income ngayon.
But of course, the San Sebastian would need the help, no? Pag umikot si Labiano sa likod, it's going to be difficult for them already.
Danji Encarnacion to serve. Into the net. Hindi kailangan yan ng Lady Stags. 10-5 UST. Looking good to win their 4th consecutive match. So again, yung groupings natin sa quarterfinals. From Group A, luto na ito. FEU, Arellano, NU, and UP are through. Actually, ang mapapanood pa natin mga games in the upcoming days will be the championship game of Group A. Maglalaban po dyan University of Batangas against PUP. Both teams looking for their first victory dito. And I'm impressed.
Expect mo na, matinding labanan yan,
pero
syempre.
I'm very impressed with the University of Batangas. Para sila mga kiti-kiti. Alam mo yun? Habol ng bola. Well, let's see if they can get their first win against PUP the next time around. Samantala, drop shot works there para sa San Sebastian. Uy, hindi pwede mag-relax dito UST. That lead is down to 3. Joyce Santa Rita on the serve. And that one goes long.
Good read there from Rasmo.
So, 11-7 ang ating score. Yung gusto mo rito kay Joyce Santa Rita, mistake or point, nakangiti pa rin, di ba? Sara Verochao, Eroa, Guillema, Labiano, tatlo na nakabang. No problem for UST. So Labiano has to find another way to score. Markado na siya eh. Sara Verochao once again. And a good read there by Eliza Roa. So 12-8. Labiano, yan na sinasabi mo, Ivy, nasa likuran na.
Although she can still do her back row attacks, pero syempre, iba pa rin yung option mo sa harap.
PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds of up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. And Mariel Sinamban goes into the net. 13-8. Ang pagbabalik ngayon ni Alexa Rafael, trying to get some experience points. Nitignan ko height niya eh, listed at 5'10". And she is 1997, papasok dito 2015. So ilang taon pa lamang siya? Batang-bata pa. 18.
18 years old.
Yeah. Actually 17, turning 18 in August 20.
Oh.
So now 14-8. Christine Francisco on the serve. Guillema, Villegas, hulog. Verochao, papunta rito kay Cortez, dalawa nakaabang. Sinamban into the net again.
Sinamban has not been successful yet. Trying to bring the ball over.
So ngayon, 15-8 ang ating score. Good serve. Guillema, masyado mataas. Base ni Laure. Pero Chao, sending it over to Rafael. Guillema, Villegas. Francisco keeps that up. Uy.
Tumama sa net. Tala sa mga mata ng referee natin doon eh, no?
Kasi binalik na nga yung lumang net violation. Siguro ng panahon ni referee Just Villarreal at saka ni Tiger, ni Efren Ga, manet sila.
Kaya kitang-kita nila agad.
15-9. Guillema on the serve. Rasmo with the reception. Berut Giao, combination play. Pam Lastimosa. UST is cruising here in set number 3, up by 7 kontra San Sebastian. Kami po ay magbabalik. Shakey's V-League updates are available on GMA International on the following Facebook accounts at nahanap na rin natin ang ating Ultra Fun Family of the Day. Ang cute nila.
Cute.
The Requino family. Wala nang t-shirt na magkasya doon kay Claudio. Yun yung maliit. Ano? Si Chloe yung panganay. And of course, Daddy Claude and Mommy Sherry. At taking in the action dito. Yan ang family. Sunday afternoon. Nood ng volleyball. Malay mo.
Yung mga kids, bata pa lang ini-expose na talaga nila sa volleyball.
One day, baka maglaro yung dalawang batang yan. Laure scores. Gusto ko gumawa ng survey dito sa mga players natin presently. Sino sa inyo yung batang-bata pa lang nanonood
na
rito?
ng volleyball?
Kayo naglalaro na kayo dito. As we have a timeout called by San Sebastian.
Dapat naman ang magiging gano'n. Ganun pa rin. Si Daddy doon sa office. Hindi na tayo nakaka-block. Kailangan natin ng blocking para ma-extend pa tayo ng score. Kanina kaya tayo nakaka-score, nakaka-block tayo. Ngayon wala na tayong blocking, wala pa tayong defense.
Maraming nawala talaga actually dito sa kupunan ng San Sebastian. So you take a look at this ultra fast spike. Brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Pero number 1 na nawala sa kanila yung kumpiyansa.
Yeah. You know, they were playing more aggressively during the first set.
Oo. Led by as much as 5 in the midway point of the first set. If you want to beat a team like UST, kailangan first set mo kaagad sila unahan. Kasi UST, no matter how good they are, as San Sebastian scores, diesel ang simula nila. I mean, eventually init yan. Oo, eventually init yan. Pero diesel talaga simula nila. And that's tradition dito sa Shakey's V-League stint nila. Good serve there coming from Villegas. Laure, mamimigay ng free ball. Guillema, kabila,
Double set violation called up against Guillema.
Another error against San Sebastian as Eliza Chope returns and Alex Cabanos joins her. Dalawang setters. So magiging quicker na itong si
So we all
Chope
know
or
na
utility.
magiging spiker na itong si Chope
Oo.
ngayon. Bago experiment na naman to.
Right. Baka nga utility kasi si Cortez pa yung pinalitan niya, no? And Micasa's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Tignan natin pag-serve kung ano yung magiging pwesto nila. Utility nga siya. Here is Encarnacion. Lastimosa keeps that up. Laure into the net. So 18-11. 7-point lead for UST. Mariel Sinamban. 21-year-old to serve. Nice serve. Cabanos. Santa Rita gives it to Labiano. Rasmo is there. Another short serve, another short set. Balik ulit sa UST ang bola. And Rafael turned back there by Santa Rita. And Santa Rita able to get the block point. So 18-12. 6 na lamang ang abante rito ng UST. San Sebastian trying to come back. Mariel Sinamban, another good one. Cabanos. Hiope wala sa pwesto, ipinamigay. Bumalik ulit sa UST. Another chance for the Tigresses. Laure off the hands of Encarnacion. Nakakatuwa yung mga bata, no? Pag pumalo ka, dumapli sa kanila, out, inuulit nila kung paano dapat nila binablock.
Pina-practice talaga nila yun.
Pina-practice nila sa training, eh, no? Yung mga matatanda, hindi mo na makikita. Parang, sus, bawi. Ganun na lang. Francisco across. Guillema, kabila, Labiano. Tinawid ulit ni Santa Rita. Kanina pa nang gugulat niya si Santa Rita. Guillema, Santa Rita again. Good defense there by Francisco. Labiano, muntik nang mapugutan si Cabanos.
Good defense being shown here by San Sebastian.
Yung pinakamahirap, ano, Ivy, and you played a lot, you played on on different levels. Pag may bolang parating sa'yo, yun at mamumutla ka talaga eh. And you must save your life.
Oh.
Parang assassination attempt
Correct.
yan eh, di ba?
Ikaw talagang target eh.
Oo.
Sniper ang dating.
Especially mga kasintangkad mo, ang mukha mo, tatamaan ko rito.
Kaya nga may cross-training din ng dodgeball eh. Ano ka ba? Comes in handy sometimes.
Oo. Pero yung dodgeball, mabagal yung bolang yun eh.
Yung mabilis tennis ball ginagamit. Sakit to.
Hindi dodgeball ang tawag doon, kamartiran na ang tawag doon.
Alam mo yung machine sa tennis ball, di ba?
Yun.
Yun.
Ang tawag doon, kabaliwan.
Ganun ka dapat kabilis umiwas sa bola.
Kung hindi ka naman nakaiwas, puro pantal na yung mukha mo mamaya.
Di, may uso na yung machine yan, yung Globus na machine eh. Para pinifeed mo din yung volleyball. So, ganun yung concept din. Same thing.
Oo, pero bilis pa rin nun.
Oh, yun na nga ginagamit ngayon eh. Oh, di ba? So, kailangan iwasan mo agad yung volleyball. Yan, malaki na yun. Makikita
right.
mo na yun, ha?
If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Yung volleyball, lumiliko yun bigla. Oh, Lastimosa scores off the block. Back come Cortez and Peruchao. So 21-15, 4 na puntos lang kailangan ng UST to win their 4th straight match and close the elimination round on a high note. Papasok sa kanilang quarterfinal stint, which will begin next week. Peruchao. Guillema. Good save there by Rasmo. Guillema. Villegas. Francisco just missing. Huh? 21-16 is our score. Back set ngayon, Francisco. Check ball. 22-16 USD. And now Christine Francisco. Up to serve. Guillema running attack. Villegas nakaabang naman ulit doon. Etong si Rafael getting the block point. And one last timeout for Clint Malazo.
Yel, press mo to. Kailangan natin ma-extend ng konti ang isa-isa. Hindi natin. Hindi pa naman nakahuli ko dyan sa likod.
Well, again, San Sebastian still has a chance na makalusot sa ating next round dito sa Group B. They must pray now na matalo ang Lasal Dasmariñas in their last match against St. Benilde para mangyari yon. And when that happens, madidetermine sa quotient that TIP ay malalaglag, so may laban pa sila a playoff to determine the last quarterfinal slot sa kanilang grupo. Oops.
Point goes to San Sebastian.
Cortez. Ano tawagan doon? So 23-17. And now serving Vera Guillema. Trying to keep San Sebastian in this. Actually, pwede pa ito para sa ladies tags.
Kaya po
Nice
nila
serve.
to.
Lastimosa ay pinamigay. Free ball. Pinamigay din tuloy nitong kupunan ng San Sebastian. Rafael and Eroa cannot keep it alive. And that will now bring the Tigresses to match point. Papalik ulit si Mildred Dizon. Papalitan si Kapitana. So Dizon will try to serve it out. So Mildred Dizon, the 17-year-old freshman.
So daming mga rookies dito sa lineup ng UST
Pati yung coach
ngayon,
nila, rookie. Rookie sa seniors.
Sa rookie team,
Rookie sa seniors. Coach Kung Fu, of course, legendary na yung paghahawak niya ng UST High School. Pero now in his first season as the head coach of the senior women's team of UST. Good defense there by Rafael. Kabila, Encarnacion, and that will do it. Last block coming here from the high school student Alexa Rafael. And UST formalizes their entry into the quarterfinal round with a straight sets win kontra dito sa kupunan ng San Sebastian, who now must wait for the result of the match between Lasal Dasmariñas and the College of St. Benilde. Makikita natin dito sa ating shaky play. Puro depensa ang ginamit na UST. That triple block was not even needed in that last shaky play. The UST takes it in 3 straight sets. At ready na yata si Crystal Bachelor with our very deserving and surprised